Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fake a text conversation on your iPhone. So let's get to it. So what you want to do is go over to the Messages app and then create a conversation with yourself. You can use your Apple ID or your phone number. Just type anything, and if you click send, it'll send the same thing back to you for some reason. With this, you can text out the whole conversation, and then you can delete all of the other messages, like the duplicates. So I'm going to do that right now. Oh yeah, and this, yeah, you should listen to it. Just look at it. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you should sub because I post 2 times a week on Saturdays and Sundays. So like, yeah, why not? Now just hold on a message and then click on more, and then delete all the messages that are duplicates. So I'm gonna do that right now, and this is what it'll look like. You can also change the contact name so it'll look more believable. Thank you for watching this video. I post 2 times a week on Saturdays and Sundays, so please leave a like, subscribe, and bye.